While I was out on a walk, I spotted something I've never seen before, a moorhen climbing a tree. After I got home, I looked into it and found out that moorhens are sometimes known to nest in trees. Most of the time they will build nests on floating vegetation platforms or on riverbanks, but birdwatchers have photographed tree-based moorhen nests. They're considered to be really great climbers. They're born with small spurs on their elbow joint of their wing and have these long, slender legs and toes, all of which helps them with climbing. When nesting in a tree, one partner will sit on the nest while the other one looks for twigs to help build it up, and then they'll reverse their roles so that the nest is always attended to. Another reason that they might climb is because they're known to eat berries, invertebrates, and the eggs of other birds, all of which can be found in elevated vegetation. I couldn't spot a nest that this moorhen was attending to, so I don't know why it was in the tree, but I'll be keeping my eye out when I'm in this area in the future in case there is a nest with chicks on the way.
Subscribe to Forest to keep learning about UK nature.